What is up, guys? Kenny D here, and this is our 7th unboxing of the day. Today, we're gonna unbox the new graphics of Soldier Fortune. You know what's something different about Soldier Fortune? It's got different texture color. Yep. New graphic color. This is the best graphics one yet. Well, it's also got new rims right there. It's also, that counts as a new graphics, I think. Well, anyway, let's get this open up. Alright, here is the new graphics of Soldier Fortune out of the box. Look at that. I mean, you can probably see, just like the Matt Biden's Minimalitia that I unboxed, it's all scaly and really fuzzy. I mean, I absolutely love this graphics. I mean, I wish Mattel makes another one out of Soldier Fortune Black Ops. If they did, I will get one. So this is the best one yet. I mean, here's the back, there's the side. All right, let's take a look at the crushable car. Instead of orange, we have blue. So here it is. Looks nice though. I absolutely love this crushable car, but it's all crushed all of a sudden. Squishy, squishy. I sound like Nathan Smith for one of his monster videos. Squishy, 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 squishy. All right, that's enough. Anyway, guys, that is the Soldier Fortune. Anyway, guys, we'll see you later, and goodbye.